National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Denton County in north central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Roanoke, or near Trophy Club, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Coppell, The Colony, Southlake, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, Prosper, Salina, Roanoke, Argyle, and Hickory Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 68 and 84. Interstate 35E between mile markers 446 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows,